Yes, and I think this is a very important point. What we have done in EMC over time, we have developed tools like MyTrend, for example, that collect data from the customer in time the customer sees is a relevant period of workload for the system, and then we can map his workload into the new system. So in this way, we can not only tell the customer what is the best solution, but we can also advise the customer how to better utilize the tiering system, what will be the benefit. We can give many more information to customer. This is exactly what we developed. It's not only us, also our partners got the full access to this kind of tools. So our certified partners and our own pre-sales people and even the customer by themselves, they will be able to take this analysis and run on their own system. On top, we have also manual addition, but we work on it through applications and a few other elements to be considered. So yes, we have developed tools that make it possible for the customer to take the best out from their investment in EMC. I think this is the key question. There is no delay of new technology, but we are into the automotive museum here in Athens, and you see how the evolution of the cars happens step by step. What we did with the current generation of VNX, we start to introduce some technology like the SSDs. Over time, due to the evolution of a custom utilization of virtual machine, so having multiple applications running at the same time on a server, and this is scaling tens of times year over year, we need to approach in a different way how the infrastructure, storage infrastructure, will be able to serve this kind of change in demand. And this is where MCX, the software that has been referred to, has driven the big changing. Imagine the evolution that we have into this new software that got 43 patents included into that simple MCX software evolutions. We are able now to really fine-tune the system to the need. We have taken the current generation of VNX, redesign it, thinking to a different way to utilize the SSD, so the flash memory and all the software we've developed over time. So it is not waiting for a new generation of hardware. We're taking the best out of what's commercial available today, considering also that customers need to take advantage. The Cisco decision to acquire Whiptal is a reinforcement of the EMC position around flash. Cisco has clearly made the decision not to enter what the external storage market is, but they want to take Whiptal and drive flash closer into the server. And this is the direction where we have, as EMC, looked into since several times. And all our acquisitions that we have made around software that make this steering more easy to be handled by customer absolutely fit in our strategy. I think this is also reinforced the joint position between EMC and Cisco, because now with all the functionality that we have, including this car that Cisco is going to probably add over time into the servers, make the VC much more integrated with overall strategy. So it's not a problem to the relationship, it's really reinforced the direction. Even more important, this is where the market is evolving. It is good to see a company like Cisco reinforcing the direction, make this more part of what is the normal evolution into their software. VCE and Vplex is where we combining the server capability with infrastructure capability is absolutely getting even more stronger with this kind of acquisition made by Cisco. I mean, Project 9, honestly, I was waiting this question. Project 9 is really unveiling something where EMC is going. It's a technology direction, it's a vision direction, it's not a product yet, as said during the announcement. What Project 9 means is putting together the infrastructure capability with what Viper is capable of doing, putting all together in a box, using the concept box intentionally, in a pre-configured solution that makes possible for customer to take the full advantage of the cloud services and drive those services directly into their infrastructure. But in the announcement we made, this will be customized on customer request depending on file and the other architecture. So in this way, customer will give us the guidance, what they expected to get out of the cloud, what they need to bring to the cloud, and we give them all the capability to make this cloud extended from the outside, the public cloud, to the private cloud with their own data center. Make things more simple. Most customers are looking into leveraging the cloud more and more. One of the challenges is evolving their infrastructure to be more compatible with the cloud direction. Project 9 goes into that direction. Make it simple to manage, affordable by customer, and quickly usable by them. Because the time from having an idea, making a project, and getting the benefit is something we really need to speed up. And this is where Project 9 will go over time. I'm sitting on a Bugatti Type 23 Brescia model. The first car to introduce big change in the way the efficiency of the engine was driven forward. EMC has always made partnership with Formula One team. Formula One team in today's ages is when we see the technology go at the best. In 2014 there will be some different rules into Formula One race, and Lotus need to enter these new rules with a different way of leveraging the information they have collected. So Lotus in these days is looking to leverage the information in a way to make their capability to race in Formula One better and better, aiming for championship in the years moving forward. So EMC has partnership with Lotus in order to help Lotus to take the full advantages of information they collect in the testing, in the race, in all their phases of their production, to help them to speed up the evolution of the product. Likewise, customer will do over time. Each one of our customers need to take the best out of information, and we do the extreme testing in Formula One, able to drive this evolution to everyday's customer for their most important business, that is their business and their information they have about it.